Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Gumas. After shoulder surgery, one of the biggest challenges for patients is keeping their shoulders and arms immobilized, allowing them to get a good night's sleep. That's why I developed the patented sleeper brace. There is no other product like it. Whether patients are awake or asleep, the sleeper brace will ensure their shoulder and arm remain immobilized, decreasing pain and speeding recovery time. During ambulation, the arm rests comfortably in the cutout foam cradle. During sleep, the posterior cradle elevates the arm while moving it forward, thus relieving pressure on the operative site. To use the brace, first remove it from the packaging. Unclip the front waist strap and place the shoulder strap around your neck, and place your forearm into the cradle, securing the forearm straps. Clip in the front part of the waist strap and adjust the shoulder and wrist straps for comfort. Once the brace has been adjusted, you'll enjoy increased comfort and enhanced recovery.